We were called out to this property in Ely to carry out a deep clean on kitchen tiles that had the look of terracotta, but were actually porcelain. The client had been cleaning the floor with household floor cleaner which really wasn't working, and the grout had now turned black with ingrained dirt. If you have never been, then Ely is well worth a visit. It's a small but beautiful city on the west side of Cambridgeshire with a stunning ancient cathedral which attracts visitors from outside the area. My client had dogs, and with the kitchen tile and grout not having had a deep clean for several years, it was now overdue a clean. We popped round to do a site visit to survey the floor and tested a small area with different products to see what would work best. The results looked good, and we agreed a price to carry the work and arranged a suitable time to complete the work. We began by applying a strong dilution of Tile Dr. Pro Clean to the floor and then worked it in with a stiff brush fitted to our rotary floor machine. The brush was run over the tiles and especially the grout lines, where the recessed grout can be tricky to reach. Pro Cleaner is a heavy-duty alkaline cleaner that's safe to use on tile and grout and works best when left to dwell for a short time, so it can digest and break down the dirt. This cleaning solution soon turned black with the dirt that was released from the tile and grout, so the next task was to extract it from the floor. For this we have a special extraction machine that applies hot water under high pressure to the floor and then extracts the soil back to a recovery tank on the van. This machine keeps the mess made to the absolute minimum whilst ensuring a thorough result. The combination of the two processes had a remarkable effect on the tile and the grout, which by now was looking much cleaner and lighter. If these tiles were terracotta, then the next step would be seal them once dry. However, being made from non-porous porcelain, they won't accept a sealer. The grout, however, has a porous cementitious top layer which attracts dirt, so to keep the grout looking its best I set about speed drying it with air movers so it could be sealed. Once dry, I sealed the grout using a couple of coats of Tile Dr. Ultra Seal, which is an impregnating sealer that will soak into the pores of the grout and protect it from within. Any excess was removed afterwards from the surface with a red buffing pad fitted to a buffing machine. As you can see from the pictures, the floor looked much cleaner and fresher, and with the grout now properly sealed, it should no longer attract the dirt. My client gave us a 5-star review with this feedback, which we are always very grateful for. The tiles look great at present. It remains to be seen if the sealer that was applied really does make them repel stains. Tony P. Ely.